Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Dr. Sudhir Kumar P. I am working as a pain management specialist in Hariom Specialty Healthcare Center, Tirupati. Okay, I have done my MBBS Diploma Anesthesia and DNB Anesthesia, followed by fellowship in pain medicine and pain management in cancer patients. As you can see here, the contact details, the phone numbers have been given, the location in Tirupati has been shared, website, and my mail ID has been given. You can please contact me regarding your details or any questions or any queries. Even in the website also there's a link, and video consultation through WhatsApp and through website, and various format, various social platforms, and social media platforms. All these platforms we are present. I'll be in touch with all of you people who ask questions or have doubts, and we will meet there frequently. Okay, fine. We'll be uploading our videos in YouTube, as in classes like this, and various videos regarding various different types of diseases. Okay, now this is one topic, headache. Okay, it is the most common cause for which any patient has visited a doctor. Okay, this is classified into primary and secondary type. Primary, sometimes the cause is not known at all, or still to be known, idiopathic headaches, or the headache itself is a disease. Now it can be benign, recurrent again and again, and in this primary lesion headaches, there is no organic lesions found, and you can treat the headache. The results will be usually somewhat better than the secondary headaches. These are symptomatic headaches. These headaches occur because of there is a lying cause. Here there is no lying cause. Headache is as such itself a disease. Now secondary headaches occur because of underlying cause. So the treatment also should be given primarily for the underlying disease. And the cause of headache, if you see, primary and secondary. Now under primary, tension type headache, as you can see here, 69%, migraine occupies 16%, and cluster occupies 0.1%. In secondary headaches, because of systemic infection, 63. So various infections, sinuses, allergic rhinitis patients with infection, they are most common. Brain tumor being the least, 0.1%. Now primary headaches we are going to deal with now. As I told you already, tension type, cluster type, migraine is a type of primary headache with or without aura, sinus headache, and thunderclap headache, that is a sudden onset headache. Now primary headaches, sinus, if you take as a cause, sinusitis, pain is behind the eyebrow and the cheekbones. Okay, cluster headaches around the eye. Tension headaches is like a band around the forearm and squeezing on the head. Migraine, usually it's unilateral and visual changes will be there. There are various other features which are present in migraine. Now coming to tension headache, it's a dull type of pain, tightness around your forehead and in the back and neck also. Diffuse pain, it's bilateral. Pulsating feeling will not be there, and there will be, along with that, muscle pain will be there. Mild photophobia or phonophobia will be there. 10 attacks lasting 30 minutes over a period of 7 days. On an average, this is how it occurs, tension headache, and not aggravated by routine physical activity. Okay. Now cluster headaches, on the other hand, the brain is sharp. Now as you can see, in tension it was dull, here sharp, burning and piercing sensation. That's why cluster headaches have got so much of importance, because the patient really suffers because of burning and piercing sensation and unilateral pain behind the eyes. Sometimes patient present with tell that they have bilateral also. and short excruciating pain, short time like 15 minutes or to 3 hours, but excruciating unbearable type, usually occurs in the middle of the night, and 2 to 3 months it clusters it, or 2 to 3 months it can be, or 2 to 3 weeks it can be, but it comes in clusters in a group format, and there is a time gap in between. And redness and watering eyes, blocked nose, sweaty face, these are all common features which are found in cluster headache. Now, sinus headache, on the other hand, it may feel like an infection because of the sinuses, and the pain is like a pressure and fullness of your cheek, brow, and forehead. The evidence of discharge from the nose will be there, pretty common actually, and worsening pain if you bend or lie forward, and stuffy nose and fatigue. These are some of the common symptoms of sinus headache. Now these are all some of the common primary headaches which we discussed. Again, these are all the details through which you can contact us. Our address, website, email ID, video consultation directly we can do it, and through in all the social medias, please come and discuss your problem, and then keep seeing the videos. We'll be in touch. Okay, we'll try to cure pain as soon as possible. Okay, to our best of the efforts. Okay, thank you.